Hello guys, this is Noob Coder over here. So I found this CSES problem set a few days ago, so I was gonna solve it. So, and I found out that there's no video tutorial of it on YouTube, coded in Java. So I thought I might do a code along. So I will be writing the solutions of it in Java, and yeah, it's a code along. So you can also think over the solution while I read the problem statement and see how it is done. And you might also first go try out this problem, and then if not able to solve it, come to the solution part. So yeah, I will link the problem in the description, and yeah, let's start without a delay. You were given all the numbers between 1 to n except 1. Your task, find the missing number. Okay, this is a straightforward question. Don't see anything fancy. Well, let's do it. Yeah. So it's a number. So we are given n and n minus 1, right? So this will be of the size n minus 1. I can think of 2-3 ways of doing this. Yes. See, the first way is using arrays dot sort method and then looping over all the values to find out. Say you are given this sample test case of 2, 3, 1 and 5, right? So after sorting it will look like 1, 2, 3 and 5. So now you can iterate it over and find out which one is absent. So you can see if the next number is not equals to the previous number plus 1, then you can output previous number plus 1 and then break the loop. So this is the first method, and the other method is using hash map. So what you can do is make a hash not map, say set. Yeah, make a hash set and add all these values in it. Now then loop from 1 to n and find out which value is not present in the hash set. But I know trick over here, so yeah, let's do this. So I will code it up first and then explain it to you. Let's try it out for the first test case. Yeah, 4. Let me show you why this worked. So as we all know, if there were 5 numbers over here, the sum of it would be simply, the order does not matter, it will be simply the sum of n numbers, just 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which can be written as n into n plus 1, and we know one number is missing, so except that number, the sum will be simply this value minus the missing number, total minus the missing number, that would be sum. So for sum we can do is total value minus all the values, so which will give us the missing number. So Let's submit it now. I had solved the previous question, so let it be. So choose file. Okay, nice. Now I will be uploading the next video on of this repetitions in the next video. So stay tuned. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It's kind of new right now. Okay.